Greetings citizens of the world. We are Anonymous. Today, for the first time in the history of the Anonymous, we shall be highlighting and exposing positively a good person, a good man, a good human, the only man who's got no sin. Yes, he's got no sin. The man with name Nnamdi Kanu is a man who must be emulated by the world leaders. Very unlike the leaders of the present-day world, Mr. Nnamdi is a man who's sacrificed a lot, including his own life, for the good of his people. A selfless man, a man who do not care if he dies saying the truth. A man admired by the Anonymous. Mr. Kanu, having faced a lot of persecution from the world agendists, must now be made free as Anonymous steps in. Anonymous shall be giving the mandate for the immediate release of the said man. Mr. Nnamdi must be released unconditionally. We shall be giving 50 days from this day for the unconditional release of the said man, Mr. Kanu Nnamdi. We shall be destroying individuals involved in his captivity if not released after 50 days. This is not a threat, you should know. Anonymous never threatens anybody. We tell you what we shall do, and yes, we shall do just that. We shall advise honestly the people involved to tread with caution. We gave you enough time just so you don't have excuses as to why you had not gotten him released. We already dismantled the former country Nigeria. Do not allow the Anonymous dismantle your life too. Already, we are aware of the panic situation in the camp of you agendists. Having heard the new nations have now been created and waiting for the imminent declaration. We are aware of the ongoing escalation of commodities and the terrible inflations as you look to make enough money quickly ahead of time. We are aware of your secrets, but your secrets are safe with the Anonymous. However, we shall not hesitate to expose you if you fail after 50 days. We warn you. And you must not forget. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.